Welcome to this series on developing your unique content voice and tone. Your voice is the personality and perspective you bring to your content. Your tone is how you express that voice and adapt it to different situations. In this course, we'll explore how to find, develop, and maintain an authentic voice that resonates with your audience and sets you apart from other creators. Let's start by understanding two fundamental concepts. Voice is your consistent personality, values, and perspective that remains stable across all your content. Think of it as your creative fingerprint. Tone, on the other hand, is how you express that voice. It's the emotional color and approach you take that adapts based on the context and subject matter. Your voice stays the same, but your tone shifts depending on what you're creating. Your voice has several dimensions that work together. Authority is how expert and credible you sound. Friendliness is how approachable and warm your communication feels. Clarity is how clear and understandable your message is. And energy is the intensity and enthusiasm you bring to your content. These four dimensions combine to create your unique voice signature. Understanding where you fall on each dimension helps you define your voice deliberately. Finding your voice is a process with 4 key steps. First, reflect on your values. Identify the core beliefs and things that matter most to you. These values should shine through in your content. Second, study your audience. Understand who you're speaking to and what they expect from creators like you. Third, experiment consistently. Test different styles and approaches, then refine them through practice. Finally, get feedback. Listen to how your audience responds and adapt thoughtfully based on what you learn. Your voice remains consistent across all your work. If your voice is encouraging, educational, practical, and accessible yet credible, those traits should be present in every video you create. Your tone, however, adapts to context. When creating an urgent tutorial, your tone becomes energetic. For a complex topic, your tone becomes more formal. For fun or lighter content, your tone can be playful. For serious issues, your tone becomes respectful. The voice stays constant, the tone shifts with purpose. 4 key elements shape your voice. First is language and vocabulary. Your choice of words reflects your personality and expertise level. Second is sentence structure. Short, punchy sentences create a different rhythm than long, flowing ones. Third is perspective and point of view. Whether you use first person, second person, or third person affects how audiences connect with you. Finally, personality traits shine through. Your humor, formality, curiosity, and confidence all contribute to your unique voice. To maintain an authentic voice, follow these guidelines. Stay true to yourself. Don't try to mimic other creators. Develop what's uniquely yours and let that authenticity shine. Be consistent. Maintain your core voice across all platforms and all content types. Evolve gradually. Refine and develop your voice over time, but don't make drastic changes that confuse your audience. Know your purpose. Align your voice with your goals and your audience's expectations. Authenticity plus consistency equals a voice that resonates. Your tone should adapt intelligently to different content types. For tutorial content, use an energetic, clear tone that's focused on step-by-step guidance. For thought leadership, adopt a reflective, insightful tone focused on big ideas. When sharing personal stories, be authentic, vulnerable, and emotionally connected. For entertainment content, be playful, humorous, and engaging. For serious topics, be respectful, measured, and thoughtful. For educational content, be curious, explanatory, and accessible. The tone changes, your voice remains consistent. Building your voice is a journey, not a destination. First, record and listen to your content. Capture your natural speaking style and identify patterns in how you communicate. Second, study your best work. Analyze the videos where your voice felt most authentic and natural. Third, create a voice guide. Document your voice characteristics, your typical tone patterns, and your core messages. Use this as a reference to maintain consistency. Finally, iterate and refine continuously. Improve through experimentation and by listening to your audience's feedback. Remember this key insight. In a crowded digital space, authenticity and consistency are your competitive advantages. Your unique voice is what transforms casual viewers into loyal community members. When people can hear you in every piece of content, they connect with you as a person, not just with your message. This builds lasting engagement and influence. Your voice is valuable. Invest time in developing it deliberately, and it will set you apart in the creator economy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.